Hi guys, this is the YABER jump starter. It's a portable car jumper starter with jump leads. They only fit in one way, these leads. You can power up to a 5.5 litre diesel or 7 litre petrol engines. It's waterproof to IP66 and has an LED flashlight. It's jumped 3 cars as far as I'm aware. Well, I know it's jumped 3 cars. One was an Astra, one was a Ford Z-Tech, the other car was a Suzuki. So if we have a look at the actual gubbins, yeah, you can see that's where the leads jump in. It's USB-A out, so you can charge your phones or what have you, and also to charge it up, it's a micro USB there. That's the power in. But it's fantastic, absolutely fantastic. And if you compare it to my iPhone 11, that's amazing. A lot of people don't believe that that will jump the car, but I know for a fact it's jumped 3 cars. I'll show you the picture where I bought it from and which it cost me. Fantastic bargain, well worth it. And you know, it's peace of mind really. Thanks for watching.